Alright, to get things started, I want to make sure the tank is clean and warm. Minimum 80 degrees Fahrenheit is best. Clean of any dust, particulates. You want a nice, clean, and warm surface. Alright, so for this bike right here, the new RSV4, we have a nice concave surface right here we have to work with. So when we first apply the tank gripper, we're going to focus on this bottom section right here. We're going to come in, use this angle, V right here as alignment point. Line it up like this. And then when we fill in or lay the tank grip into this concave surface right here, we need to pull this back and really roll it into place. So let's get started here. We're going to expose the whole backside of the adhesive. Holding on around the outside edges, touch on the inside as little as you can. There we go. We're lined up. Now, pull it back, keeping your fingertips on the inside. Okay, now focus on this bottom line right here. Let's get this block of material right here, parallel or in line with the logo. And then let's go pull it back, roll it in, and stuff it in. Really get that material into that concave surface. She's down. Lines look good. Parallel, clean. You're ready to go.